Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The High Court on Tuesday slammed Colvale Jail Authority for failing to comply with its direction given on 18th December 2025 to stop illegal use of mobile phones inside the jail premises by the inmates. The Colvale Jail Authority on Tuesday filed a short affidavit, but the High Court was not satisfied with the explanation given regarding the action taken so far. The High Court further observed that Jail Authority is just doing an eyewash act. Adjourning the hearing for 18th April, the High Court has directed the Colvale Jail Authority to submit detailed affidavit explaining all the action taken so far and the future plan of action. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.